before you skip this video, that nylon on the ground, pick it up. That one on the gutter, pick it up. Yes, those ones people knows as waste. That's the main reason our environment looks dirty. Yet that same nylon is very, very valuable. The problem is not usually the nylon. The problem is lack of knowledge. We all lack knowledge in this. This waste nylon you are seeing around you, all of them are very, very profitable. All of them are very, very valuable. That is, if you do it at the right way. If you know how to treat those waste nylon around you, if you know how to gather them, treat them properly, you will know the value of, that is when you are going to know the value of this waste nylon. Everything is not a waste. Everything around you is not a waste. From today, whenever you see waste nylon, just pick it up because it's very, very valuable and many people earn from it. Now, in this very video, I'm going to teach you how to treat waste nylon properly, how to wash them, and how to get them ready for recycling or for selling. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Vworld. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your product. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this very video as it helps us grow our page, and so you won't miss any update from Vworld Nylon Production. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to treat this waste nylon. After treating them, you wash it. If it's very dirty, you are going to see it in this very video, practical. I'm not here to motivate you with big grammar. I'm here to guide you a proper step on how to reduce waste in our environment and equally help you to earn money. In this video, we are going to learn how to treat those waste nylon step by step, wash it and spray it, and it will be neat for sale and for wherever, recycling or wherever you want to use it for. Now let's proceed. All these things you are seeing here is waste nylon. As you can see, all of them are very, very dirty. You can see all of them is very, very dirty. After you must have picked dirties in your area, all those waste nylon in your area, what is the next step? And all of them are very dirty. What is the next step? What are you going to do? Another thing you are going to do is to gather them like this, spray it like this. As you can see, they are still dirty. And how are you going to treat them? This is it. When you bring this waste nylon, this is a waste nylon that is very dirty. First of all, first step you have to do is to dust it. Make sure you dust it well. Dust the waste nylon. Make sure you dust it to remove the small particles in this waste nylon. After dusting it, make sure you search it thoroughly to look for sellotape. As you can see, this particular one I'm holding, there is sellotape on it, and one single sellotape of this can spoil the whole material when you put it in machine for recycling or in production. So first thing you are going to do is make sure you remove the sellotape and keep it aside. Keep the tape aside, then dust it well and equally search the whole nylon thoroughly. And if after searching it and you did not see any sellotape, after searching it and you did not see any sellotape, you keep it aside. Remember, when you are treating your waste nylon, be separating low density from high density. What is low and high density? My students can relate. That one will be for next video. All you have to do is just to subscribe so that you'll be following our videos along. So this now, I'm going to be separating low density from high density. So this is another waste that I'm going to treat. As you can see, this one is still dirty and dusty. First thing, make sure when you are doing this, make sure you go with your nose marks. Understand? It's very, very important. Make sure you go with your nose marks to avoid all these dirty entering your nose trace. Understand? So you dust it. When you dust it, there is no sellotape on this one. As you can see, I've searched thoroughly. There's no sellotape. I'm keeping it one side too. So that's the same way we are going to do it. All the whole nylon. As you can see, my colleagues, they are doing it. This is it. They are doing it. That's how you are going to treat all this waste nylon around here. One after the other. One after the other. You search it thoroughly. That's a good way to treat waste nylon, not just gathering them. When you gather them, just make sure you treat it well, because this waste you are seeing is going to earn you millions that you don't know. You can equally be doing what you are doing your other side of job, and still be doing it. Just stop throwing it away. Stop paying people just to throw dustbin for you. All these things earn money. All those people, they earn more than you, but you don't know. See, you are going to dust it. Make sure you treat it. This is how we are going to be doing it one after the other till we finish treating the whole waste nylon here. Then after this, we are going to move to the next step, but let's finish this one first. As you can see, we are still in the process of treating all these things. You are going to remove them All these things now, we are going to remove all of them. It's not supposed to be there. It's not supposed. Whenever you see something like this, make sure you remove it. And even something like this. Are you seeing it? This is paper. Whenever, are you seeing it? Whenever you see paper like this, remove it. See, okay. I've removed all the whole this thing on it now. Make sure you remove it well. After removing it, you dust it. After dusting it, you keep it one side. The same process, you do all these things. So this is the ones we have treated so far. As you can see, we are going to select those that is too dirty to wash it and spray it. Understand? So now, without wasting much of our time, let's proceed. Let's go and wash it. So now, here is where you are going to treat the waste nylon. Here you are going to wash it. As you can see, this is water. It's still in water. So I'm going to wash it. This is the waste nylon. This one that is very dirty. We're going to wash it. Make sure that it's very neat. Because dirty waste, when you wash it properly, it will be neat. It will no longer be waste again. So this is the detergent we are using to wash it. When you pour small amount of it here, you are going to use it. So let's pour it. Then you keep it. So as you can see, this still needs water. Understand? We are using to treat it. So you understand, it's not magic. It's not magic, it's real game. Understand? See it. When you wash it, you keep it here. See it. I'm washing those waste nylon so that it will be neat. So this is it. This is how you are going to wash till you finish everything. You finish the whole nylon, wash it. Once nylon is clean, to sell it is not even the problem. They will even be begging you to buy it from you. Even though you did not wash it, it's not all of, remember, it's not all of them that you wash. Some of them are already neat. Those ones that is already neat, you don't need to wash it. Just after treating, then you sell it like that. So we have finished washing up. Let's go and spray it. Let's go and spray it. So this is it. This is all of them. This is it. This is where you are going to spray. These ones you are seeing here, they have already washed it. See it. They've already washed it. Then come and see where. Come and see it again. This is the same nylon here. The same thing over here. See it. All this nylon you are seeing here is the one they have washed and they have spread. Don't you see it? It's very neat now. Is it still a waste? It's no longer a waste. Once you do it like this, the nylon is very neat and ready for sale or ready for recycling, whatever you want to use it for. So all these things, they are not waste. They are very, very valuable. They are very, very valuable. Stop throwing them away. Pick them up. Even though you don't want to treat them or don't want to use them to do anything, bring them to me. I'm going to buy it from you. I'm going to buy it from you, no matter the quantity. I'm going to buy it from you. So I hope from today, you no longer throw waste nylon away. You're going to pick it up and make it valuable again. When the waste nylon dry, what you're going to do is to pack it in this bag like this. See, as you can see, we are still packing this. Anyone that dry, we come and put it here. And after packing it, come and see the outcome. See how we are going to package it for us. This is the one we have already treated, you understand? Or if you like, don't treat it. Just when you, after gathering the waste nylon material, pack it like this and we'll build it for us. We buy it in how many tons you want. Understand? We buy 10 tons, 200, 300, anyhow many 1,000 tons. So you pack it like this. Make sure it's well packaged like this. You can build it anywhere you want to go, any other country. We import this from Ghana. We export from Nigeria to other countries too. So this is how you do it. All these things are money. All these things you are seeing here, they earn money. People earn from this. You can just do it like this and we'll be to us. We can buy it even though your problem is where you are going to sell it. We buy it. Understand? We are going to buy it from you. So in this channel, we don't do anything. It's all about nylon production, plastic, how to make use of plastic, how to use plastic to produce in production of nylon and everything. All you have to do is just subscribe. You are going to learn a lot from our channel. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Thanks for always joining. Those who haven't subscribed, if you know you haven't subscribed, please do where to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this very video so you won't miss any update from Vworld Nylon Production. Don't forget, we still offer online and physical classes. Do where to contact me with the number on the screen. We are going to guide you on everything about nylon production. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.